Management and planning for the annual Hajj journey involves complex executions to deliver seamless services. In case a pilgrim faces any issue related to any aspect of Hajj journey or finds out that something needs the immediate attention of the authorities, they can raise the issue through Hajj Suvidha app for prompt assistance, which works as one-stop digital solution for any grievance. Indian pilgrims can file their grievance easily through the Hajj Suvidha app. After login, tap on the grievance option given in home screen of the app. Now, tap on New Grievance to register your complaint. If the issue is related to you, select Grievance for Self. When submitting a grievance for yourself, select the relevant category such as accommodation, health, lost and found baggage, or other. Describe the issue clearly in the description box to help authorities understand your concern better. You may also click a picture related to the grievance, if required, and then tap Submit. Once submitted, your grievance is registered successfully. To track progress, visit Grievance History to check the status of your previously submitted grievances. If you need to submit a grievance for another pilgrim, enter the cover number and select the pilgrim type, then proceed in the same way. With the Hajj Suvidha app, support and grievance redressal is always within reach. For every pilgrim, at every moment, Government of India stands with you.